Hello friends, in this tutorial we will see how to register web user control. There are two ways to place our user control in our page. One is by directly dragging and dropping in our page and other is by registering user control to our page. We will see second method for registering a user control. For example, we want to register our user control for this page. So to register user control, first type is less than sign. We can see the IntelliSense will automatically give us some options. Select register options, press enter and then write src, means I am getting my user control file from the source which is in Solution Explorer. So click on source and give assignment or a is equal to operator. The list of user control will be displayed. If the user control in the folder, then you can pick up by URL, but our user control is in solution, so please select. Now we have to give tag prefix. So tag prefix is the name of user control. We are giving UC1 for user control 1 and we have to give tag name which is header. So there is no error display, because if there is an error then our Visual Studio will display error automatically. Now we have to put the user control in our web form. Take cursor to the point where you want to put the user control. Type UC1. So now IntelliSense will be display. Now IntelliSense will display UC1 header. So select it. Type run at is equal to server. Notice if we don't write run at is equal to server, then this server control will not be run at the server. So when we run the application, it will not display. So take a look at design and let's run. We can see we have successfully placed user control using registering manually. We can click on forms, we can click on web forms, we can switch over to forms. So user control will be look as it is, but contents of the page will be changed. Thank you.